looking for just a way to just enhance beyond just a daily posting or an Instagram story. So when they released the highlight reel, I saw that there was a lot of potential there. So I just started adding some really quick, easy tutorials that anyone, whether you're a consumer or a professional, can follow. That's my goal, because my Instagram is a happy medium of consumers, my family, my friends, and also other professionals. So my goal is to be able to reach all of those avenues with my highlight reel. So some tutorials, some past work that I've posted on my stories, and just some fun stuff, because, you know, I'm a fun person. Like, I discovered Splice. My friend Matthew showed me Splice a couple years ago. So that has been the easiest one for me to edit and add words to my videos. I love a good slow-mo video. And I love Cut Story. I just discovered Cut Story for posting longer than 15-second videos on your Instagram story. So it'll slice it down into the right amount of times, whether you're posting on Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook. So that's a great one. And it's like $1 to upgrade it. That I discovered that yesterday, midway through adding my stories. So $1 to upgrade it to get that like Cut Story logo off of my videos. And I mean, it's made a big difference. Some of them are seeing looks that, maybe they aren't seeing me do on a daily basis, like some vivid colors or just things a little, we'll say, like out of the box. And they love seeing that kind of stuff, especially if they're more of a conservative person. So they're really noticing that, I do a wide range of hair, and also with adding the tutorials in, they're able to learn from me even when they're not in my chair. Because that's something I've always, in my 11 years, I've prided myself on, is my ability to teach my clients how to do their hair, so that way they aren't, sitting there saying, oh, I can never get my hair to look like the way you do it. So my goal is, I don't ever want to hear that. I want my clients to be able to recreate everything that I do by me teaching them. So that's just another avenue for me to be able to just send them to my Instagram. Say, when you're bored with the way you're curling your hair, check out my Instagram tutorials. There's some other ideas.